Come on children, let us perform the activity of the separation of the immiscible liquids. I just discussed on the board कि what is the immiscible liquid? Two liquids that do not dissolve in each other. So such type of liquids get separated by using an apparatus that is called separating funnel. Do you know separating funnel? I will show you through video separating funnel how is the separating funnel and how it is used. But at present, right now, I don't have separating funnel, but I have just collected few materials at my home and prepare a separating funnel, temporary separating funnel. You can also perform this activity at your home and by making a separating funnel and separating two immiscible liquid from each other. Two immiscible liquid means two liquids that do not dissolve each other. So such type of mixture gets separated by using an apparatus. And what is the name of that apparatus? The name of that apparatus is separating funnel. Today I will prepare a separating funnel by using some waste material at my home. Look at here, I have just prepared. This is the stand. I have made stand. This is the clamp to hold this separating funnel. I have just made today a just disposable bottle. This is the small size disposable bottle. This bottle I will today use as a separating funnel. But before using this, I will just do something with this bottle. This is the cap of the bottle. I will make a hole. I will make a hole with this cap of the bottle. Look at here. I have just made a very small hole. Look at here. Very small hole is there. Small hole. Are you seeing? Observing? Yes, this is hole. I just made a hole in this cap of the bottle. I will adjust this bottle very tightly to this bottle. Tightly so that the liquid does not leak out. Tightly I hold it, and again I will make a very small hole here with the help of nail. This very small hole I will make to pass the air, and when the air pass into the bottle, then the liquid coming out through this hole out of the bottle. This is the separating funnel. In this place that is a knob. When we turn the knob, the air passing inside the bottle and making pressure inside the bottle and liquid coming out through these holes. Is it clear? So this is the hole, and one more hole I just make here. Listen, but before I doing this activity, I will just block this hole so that the liquid doesn't pass through this hole. I will block this hole through this tape. Look at here. This is the tape. I am just blocking this hole. I will block this hole very tightly. Okay, just cut it the tape. I am just right now, but temporary, I will block the hole because this hole acts as a knob. I will remove this tape, then the liquid passing through this hole. Is it clear? Separating funnel is ready. Okay, now look at here. I have taken two liquids. Look at here. I have taken two liquids. This is the clear water and this is mustard oil. This is clear water and this is mustard oil. Okay, I will mix the clear water and mustard oil each other. Look at here. In the bottle, I am mixing this liquid inside this bottle. Look at. Yes. Yes, look at here. Clear? And again I am mixing this oil. Look at here. Oil. Just look at. There is a two separate layers are there. By putting the finger on this bottle, I just mix the liquid. Look at it. I am mixing this liquid. This is mixed. Next, just let it stand for few minutes and make two different layers. I'm just making the two liquids different. Look at here, two different layers. I seeing two different layers. Is it clear? Two different layers. This is the layer of water. This is the layer of oil. Oil is floating at the top of the bottle because of the less density than the water. Is it clear? Hole is not clearly tapped. Okay, I will just put this bottle on the hole. Clear नहीं हो रहा है. Look at here. होल बंद नहीं हो रहा है इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है. Just tighten the hole. Okay, and just adjust the. Look at. This is the stand. Slowly I will remove this. Look at here. I will remove this. Look at here. Oil is separating. Come close. Come close. Layer of oil is coming downwards. Coming down. Look at here. Layer of oil is coming downwards. Here is a hole, air passing through a hole and making pressure over the oil. Look at. Now, look at here. Oil gets separated. Look at here. Oil gets separated. Water gets separated. Now look at here. Oil is also slowly gets separated. I will make a big hole so that oil will pour very quickly. I will make this hole bigger so that the oil speedily coming out. Look at it. You will also perform this activity at your home. You will also perform such activity at your home by making a separating funnel by using your waste material at your home. Different types of different bottles you may take, and you will form a small hole here and a small hole over there. And before pouring the liquid into the container, you will remove the tape. I have just removed like this. I have removed the tape from the hole so that the air enters inside the bottle and making pressure over the liquid so that the liquid passing through this hole. Just look at here. I just in front of you I have mixed the two liquid each other, and I have also get separates both the liquids each other. Look at here. Look here. Oil and water again get separated from each other. Is it clear? Look here. I will just remove this separating funnel from the stand. Okay, is it clear? Now look at here. Both the glass again having water and oil separately. You also have seen how the ma'am mix the two liquids each other and keep this liquid immiscible liquid. When the two liquid get mixed with each other, they form the immiscible liquid, and such immiscible liquid gets separated by using an apparatus, that is the separating funnel, by making one hole here and second one is here. Whenever we pour the liquid from here, we will remove this tape from this hole. Air passing through this hole and liquid just coming out from the bottle like this. Again I have just separated. I just in front of you I have mixed the two liquids each other, and again I have get separate these two liquids each other. I think you have understood this activity through this demonstration. I have also discussed what is immiscible liquid and how this immiscible liquids get separated by using an apparatus, that is the separating funnel. I have just prepared a separating funnel. You will also prepare and perform such activity, and you will also make an activity and show me. You may send on WhatsApp. I will observe your activity. Is it clear? You will better understood by doing yourself at your home. Is it clear? Today I think you have understood my activity and the immiscible liquids also, and method of separation also. Is it clear? I think it is still clear. So today I will conclude today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.